till it feel all the same. Learning, growing, having fun. Inspired thinker, rookie, everyone.
We have learned how to think, create, solve problems, and help others.
Our team needs something special that reminds us what it means to be a rookie.
Let's create a rookie tradition that shows who we are. The Rookie Handshake. Step 1. The high five means we celebrate each other and say, "You did a great job."
It reminds us to encourage our friends.
Step 2. The fist bump means we are a team. We support each other and work together. Step 3. When we point to our temple, we remember to use our minds.
We can think creatively, solve problems, and make inspiring choices.
High five! Fist bump! Think with your inspired thinker mind. We created something special together. This is our rookie way! Time for the Inspired Thinker Pledge. Today will be an inspiring day.
I will make inspiring choices.
I will encourage others to make inspiring choices. Together, we will be inspired thinkers. See you next time, rookies!